Hi Coach. In this video, we're going to take a look at the forms functionality and as well as form templates that are available for you to use as is or to customize anything about the template and then use that as your form when you send it to clients or embed it in your programs. So looking here at the templates, we have the strengths wheel form template, we have a program completion feedback survey, session wrap up and reflection, a pre-session check-in form, a discovery call questionnaire, and an intake form as well. You can view all of the templates by clicking on the View More text, and this is all of the templates that are included by CoachVantage, as well as you can also actually create a template of your own by clicking on the Create a Template card, and you can create your own template over here as well. Let's take a look at the Strengths Wheel template as an example. Just clicking on the card will bring up the Strengths Wheel question. Over here, you can see all of the different aspects of the wheel, from career to physical environment. And just to give you an example of how the wheel gets populated when somebody puts in their responses, I'm just going to add in some values here from 1 to 10, which will give you an illustration of how the form will look like once it's been completed by your clients. Now I can save this template to my forms so that I can use it as and when I need to. And I can also edit the form if I would like by changing specific aspects of this. For example, I could call this a relationship aspect rather than a career one. And you'll see that it also changes here on the wheel itself. Now I'm going to bring this back to career and I'm going to save this form. And now it's been created in my forms and I can actually send it to clients as well. So let's go back to forms, and here on the strength wheel, I can click on this little button here, which will send the form to my clients after I've selected which clients I want to send the form to. You then just need to hit next, or if this form is being associated with a program that you are currently engaged in with this client, you can choose the program or select no association if you just like to set this form as an ad hoc form. The other thing I can do is on my programs page, I can actually embed that form, the strength wheel, into my program landing page by clicking edit. And on the intake form step over here, you'll see that I can actually select over here a strength wheel, import that over here, and it's going to bring up the strength wheel as a form that will be displayed and rendered to clients or prospects as they are filling up the landing page for this program. So we'll take a look at the branding step over here. We'll get a preview of what that would look like on the landing page. So here you can see this is how the strength wheel is indicated. And if I were to add in the values, you will see the form being interactively populated as well. Once that client has completed the enrollment process, you will get the form response in your account. Now let's go back to the forms page. And if I were to look at other templates over here, I could take a look at the discovery call questionnaire as an example. And here you'll see that these are questions that are relevant to be used in your booking page for a discovery call. And again, I can save this template to my forms. And I can also leave the banner image as is, or I could also upload a new image that I like. I could also make some customizations to the questionnaire or the form. So for instance, if I don't want this question over here, I can actually delete it. Or I could also make questions to be not required, so they are not mandatory to be completed. And then I can save this customized form as my form. The other enhancement that we've made to forms is the ability for you to print the form and the responses as well. So over here, there's one response to this form. And we're going to take a look at that response. And you'll see here, these are the responses to the form by this client. Now there is an icon over here, a print icon. If I click on that, I can save this as a PDF, or I can actually send it to my printer, or you can save it to your local drive. I hope that's been helpful, and I hope you enjoy the forms template. It will save you heaps of time because you won't need to create forms from scratch. You can begin by using one of our templates and then use it as is or customize for your specific needs. Happy coaching!